Hello beautiful family, welcome back to the channel again. I hope you all are doing so well. In today's video, I'm so excited to share with you how I made this delicious party jollof. Yeah, this is Ghana party jollof. Let's get started. With this jollof rice, I'm going to enjoy it with my yes, my fried beef. So my pot is already on fire, so I'll add in my beef, sliced onions, blended garlic and ginger, salt and all-purpose seasoning. So I will stir and cook it for at least 10 minutes. So these are my ingredients for my stew base. So as I cook, I'm going to introduce the rest of the ingredients to you because I don't want to make this video too long. So in a clean pot, I'll add in my cooking oil. You can choose any cooking oil of your choice, and also go ahead and add in my cooked beef. Fry until it turns into golden brown, just as you're seeing right now. Please make sure you set your fire on low heat so you don't burn your meat. Next, I'll add in 1 teaspoon of curry powder for flavor, and also my blended pepper, garlic, ginger and all-purpose seasoning. Stir until everything is well mixed and cover it to cook for at least 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, I will check for my stew and add in my bay leaves, my tin tomatoes, and also the stock I used in cooking the meat. I'll use the stock and stir until everything is nice and well mixed. I'll leave it to cook for additional 10 minutes for the stew to steam very well. I also added in some fresh mackerels, but unfortunately my camera couldn't capture it. So after 10 minutes, this is how our stew base looks, and it is halfway cooked. So I'll add in my chicken spices for flavor, and also my jollof spices, all-purpose seasoning, half teaspoon of salt, and also 5 tablespoons of water. Stir and leave it to simmer very well for additional 5 minutes. Just look at how beautiful the oil has settled on top. So I'm not going to use all this stew for the jollof recipe. I'm going to scoop some and set it aside. It's good to set some of the stew aside before you add in your rice, because you can add in the stew if you want more of it. Next, I'll add in 3 cups of perfume rice, and also 2 tablespoons of my tomato base because it wasn't enough for me. And also I'll add in 1 cup of water. Remember not to add in too much water if you want your jollof rice to have that single grains after cooking. So I'll go ahead and add in my dark soya sauce, half teaspoon for flavor, and then also a salt. The salt is always to your taste. I added in soya sauce because you want that party, that color there, and you have to add in dark soya sauce for your jollof to look a little bit darker. So I'll cover it for at least 5 minutes, and I'll check in for my jollof rice, and it's doing okay. After stirring it, I will create a hole in it for the vapor to pass through it to make the cooking and everything easy. I'll cover it with a rubber, cook it for additional 5 minutes. Whilst I'm cooking my jollof, I'll go ahead and prep my veggies because I'm going to enjoy this jollof rice with some salad. Yeah, and then please subscribe to my channel, click on the post notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. And please, a quick reminder, always make sure to set your fire on low heat so that you don't burn your jollof, because jollof takes time to cook very well. It's been 5 minutes and I'm checking for my jollof rice again, and it's almost done. Look at how soft and appetizing our jollof is looking. I'll cover it for additional 5 minutes, and by then our jollof rice should be ready. And it is 5 minutes. Our jollof rice is nice and ready. Look at how perfect it turned out. It really smells good as well and tastes good as well. Please, if you want more of this recipe, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel, Like, comment and share, and let's grow this channel beautifully. So I'll go ahead and continue with my vegetable salad and also added in my homemade mayo. Please, thank you for watching today's video, and please enjoy and stay blessed.